it's me Giselle and I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing DIY ideas - crafts that you can do when you're bored. And I'm currently just wearing a jumper. I don't know why I am because it's summer. Anyway, so if you want to continue watching the video or want to find out how to do some cool crafts, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and turn your post notifications so you never miss a video like this one. And also some of these might not work, I'm not sure yet, but let's just get on to the crafts.
First DIY is transferring like makeup onto a paper face. So all you'll be needing is a paper. You'll have to draw a photo of like a face, and then I just drew my signature at the bottom. And then all you want to do is you want to grab some makeup so you can do like some designs on the face. So you just want to open your like makeup area up. You want to grab your foundation. I know you normally go with primer, but I just went with foundation today because we probably won't have enough time, and this definitely doesn't match the skin tone because it's white, so I can't really get white foundation, but comment down below if you can. So I'm just getting a bloody bunda, and I just squirt it on there. It's a little dirty at the moment. You can see the bottom color, it's pink. It was pink. And I got it from Kmart for about $3, so if you want to get a beauty blender that is cheap, just go to Kmart. So now I am just dabbing the paper face, and yeah. Probably tell if you look very carefully that the foundation is kind of crumbling on the paper, but it is paper on foundation, so yeah, that is why. And my camera just fell. Great. So I just recovered from that incident. Hopefully you guys did too. Now I'm adding some foundation onto the face, and it does look a little bit messy at the moment, but it will start to get better, hopefully. Now I'm applying some baby lips with some chopper to fix that up, and then I added some eyeshadow glittery ones, not regular, and then I just outlined this in black pen, and then I hashtagged it #burnt pancake because it looks like one.
So I just finished the transferring makeup onto paper, face, whatever you want to call it, and I eventually called it burnt pancake, and it is really messed up. So this is like not a fail, I would say, but it's actually harder than I thought to put foundation onto paper and makeup onto paper. So that's how that went. Probably gonna like hang up or something. And then now we are up to making slime with no glue. So we're going to see if this fails or doesn't fail. So let's just get started.
So for this no glue recipe, you'll be needing some sea kelp, lemon peel, shower gel. It doesn't have to be that complete brand, but just get some shower gel. Next, you'll be needing some salt, and then you'll be needing something to mix with and something to mix in. So you actually don't need to do this, it's an opinion, but I just put some paper towel down to protect my desk because my room has the best lighting. So then I grabbed my container, added some of the shower gel into the container, and I added about like 10 squirts in here. I went a little crazy, but it actually doesn't look too big, but my mum probably wouldn't be too happy if I used a lot of it, so I just used that much. And then I decided to sprinkle it with a bit of salt at a time. Add it like you add borax into slime, or like your activator, a little bit at a time. So here's me sprinkling that in, because if you put too much in, actually might not work. And then you want to get your popsicle stick or whatever you want to mix with, you mix it up. And then I decided to add a little bit more salt into that mixture. Now I'm walking to the kitchen. I'm just about to put my mixture that I've half made into the freezer because I need it to freeze up because I can't use activator or glue for this recipe. And then you want to leave it in there for about, I would say, 5 hours. So I'm probably not going to video this part of me when it's finished because it will just take too long, so I'm going to be posting it on my Instagram.
So guys, I just put in the freezer my like half-made no glue slime, and I'm going to leave it in there for about an hour, 30 minutes. So I'm going to move on to the next DIY. So the next DIY is redecorating our squishy. So let's get on to it.
So now I'm moving on to my redecorating squishies. So you want to grab a squishy that you don't really want to be like that anymore. So you want to change it up. I've kind of already attempted to redecorate it, but it's just not good. So that's what you will be doing today. And then I'll have a popsicle stick or like anything to like paint it with. And then some paint colors. I have orange, pink, and another light pink. Then I have this colored palette, but it's very messed up. I can't bother to clean it. So now I'm starting to paint onto the squishy with a beigey color.
So guys, that I have my squishy drying, my like slime in the freezer. I'm going to be moving on to my watch me like edit my TikToks, or like do my TikToks. So this is about to get very cringy here, so make sure to like and get ready for this because this is gonna be intense. So let's get to it.
My sound on TikTok, and it's called, got the hiccups, it's called No Body of Water is Safe Without a Lifeguard. So that is what I'm just about to do. So let's go.
I'm not at the beach, it's a bathtub. I'm not at the beach, it's a bathtub.
Okay. So
I'm not at the beach, it's a bathtub. But it's 2 feet deep, lady. What are you doing here?
look,
I see you don't have a lifeguard here at your beach.
I'm not at the beach, it's a bathtub.
No body of water is safe without a lifeguard.
But it's 2 feet deep, lady. What are you doing here?
so yeah.
I see you don't
I'm going to post that. So make sure to follow me on TikTok. I'll insert my username right here. So yeah. So guys, that was the end of the video. I know you guys might be thinking, well Giselle, you haven't finished it yet. The slime and the squishy isn't finished yet. I will be posting the end result on my Instagram, so make sure to follow me on there. I'll insert my username right here because it is starting to get a little dark and the lighting will get horrible. So that's why I'm just going to be putting it on my Instagram. So yeah, the question of today is, what was your favorite DIY I did today, and if you would like a part 2, so make sure to comment down below. So yeah, bye!